Mirror gazing for the first time, let's do this together to see the soul experiences and energies that are attached to us. Disclaimer, safety first. Ground your energy first, as I am showing you all at this time, starting with the core. And now please follow me as I enter into a dark room. Don't worry, it is safe. We're doing this together, remember? Here I am cleansing the space. Don't worry, it's not necessary for you to have these things. Just envision that the bell sound and the cleansing is also happening in your own space. Optional is a flashlight or a candle. This is how the flashlight looks. Okay? So, mirror gazing is you literally staring into your eyes as you stand or sit in front of a mirror. We are about to begin. Allow your eyes to relax and slowly look into your eyes in a 20-degree angle. So that's pretty much straightforward. And just keep looking into your eyes and taking a few breaths and exhaling out. As you are looking into your eyes, observe what you see, observe what you feel. And keep allowing your eyes to relax. Slowly prepare to conclude and exhale. All done. Share your experience below. Bye now.